Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how your car keeps everything running, like charging the battery and powering all the lights, radio and everything else while you're driving? Well, the alternator plays a huge role in making all of that happen. Let's talk about how it works. An alternator is a crucial part of your car's electrical system. Without it, your battery would quickly drain and your car wouldn't be able to power things like the lights, air conditioning or even the radio. The alternator charges the battery and keeps your car's electronics running while the engine's on. So how does all of this work? The alternator has a few key parts. First, there's the stator, which is the stationary part that generates electricity. Inside it is the rotor, which spins and creates a magnetic field. That magnetic field makes the electricity flow. Then there are the diodes, which convert the electricity from alternating current to direct current because that's what your car needs. Finally, there's the voltage regulator, which makes sure the alternator doesn't send too much power to the battery. Here's how it all comes together. When you start the engine, the rotor inside the alternator starts spinning. As it spins, it creates a magnetic field that passes through the stator, which generates AC electricity. But your car can't use AC, so we need to convert it into DC. This is where the diodes come in. They change that AC electricity into DC. Next up, the voltage regulator makes sure the alternator doesn't send too much or too little power to the battery. It keeps everything balanced, so you don't risk overcharging or undercharging your battery. To sum it up, the alternator takes the engine's power, generates electricity, converts it from AC to DC, and makes sure the battery gets just the right amount of charge. Next time you start your car, you'll know exactly how it all works. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more explanations. Catch you next time.